Most people think once they avoid scams, they are safe in crypto. That's not true because many people don't lose money to scammers, they lose money through small mistakes they ignore. And the dangerous part is this: everything feels normal until one day it isn't. Here is where the real problem starts. You understand wallet, you know about private key, you have learned how to avoid scams, but your behavior stay casual, using one wallet for everything, clicking links without thinking, connecting your wallet across multiple platforms. Nothing happened at first, but over time, it built quietly. So the real question is, what does it actually mean to be safe in crypto? Understanding crypto security. Crypto security is not just about tools, it's about structure, awareness, and behavior working together. Because in a decentralized system, you control your asset, you are responsible for your access, and there is no authority to fix your mistakes. So, how do serious users approach security? Structurally your wallet usage. Security improve when you separate roles. Instead of using one wallet for everything, use different wallets for different purposes. One for daily transaction, one for interacting with platforms, one for long-term storage. This reduces exposure. If one wallet is compromised, the other remains safe, and this is what many people miss. Security is not just about where you store your asset, it's about how you interact with the system. Managing wallet connections carefully. Every time you connect your wallet to a platform, you are granting permission. Some allow viewing your wallet, some allow transaction requests, some allow interaction with your asset. If the platform is not trustworthy, those permissions can be misused. This is why discipline matters. Only connect to a verified platform. Avoid unknown links. Pay attention to what you approve. Now consider this. Most people focus on granting access to crypto. Very few focus on reducing exposure. Assets that stay constantly online are more vulnerable. This is why experienced users limit exposure. They keep smaller amounts in active wallet and store larger holdings in more secure environment. This reduces the chances of unauthorized access. Building security habits. Security is not something you set once, it's something you practice daily. Verify every transaction before confirming. Double check wallet addresses. Take your time before approving any action. Because in crypto, small mistakes can lead to permanent loss. Finally, crypto gives you freedom. That freedom comes with full responsibility. There is no bank to call, no password reset for lost access, no reversal after confirmation. Once you truly understand this, you stop acting casually, you start acting intentionally, you protect what you build. So let me ask you, are you using crypto with full confidence or with real security awareness? If this video helps you understand crypto security on a deeper level, like, subscribe, and share to someone who needs it. This content is for educational purposes only and does not include financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks. Always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.